Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to resolve a unspecified error when copying a file or folder on our Windows 11 or Windows 10 PC. First thing you want to do is restart your computer. Sometimes simply restarting your computer can help resolve the issue. That's why I am recommending to do restart you. And the next method, if you not solved restarting, go ahead and go to file file folder and go to this PC and go. It's not main drive, have to use additional drive. I'm having main drive local disk. You having additional drives issues, you are having the problem disk, you want to right click on it and format it. I I can't format it, I don't have additional drives. That's why you good to go guys. Thanks for watching my channel. Thank you for it. Goodbye.